So I'm gonna try to do something different today. I'm gonna do a small review of rods I'm using the most, and that is the Sakura Trinis range rods. Before I start to talk more about some specs of this series, here are some facts about the brand and about these rods and people who stand behind them. So this series of rods started to be legendary on one of the hardest and biggest fishing markets in Europe, and that is France. So before this now Trinis series, we had one before and it was more expensive one. So they wanted to reduce the price of the Trinis models and they put Fuji Alcanet guides on their blanks, and this resulted with the excellent rod for less money. I personally found a favorite in medium model because it really suits my fishing, most of my fishing actually. Most of my fishing is not with the big lures, it's with small soft baits and small twitch baits, so this medium size medium action rod was really perfect for my needs. The action of this rod is perfect. It really has fast tip that will allow you to sense really every little stone on the bottom, but also it has so much power in the backbone of the rod that you can really feel safe when you hook a really big fish. For example, my first fish on this rod was around 2 kilo sea bass, and I had absolutely no problem landing it. I was really safe that fish will not go on the bottom, on the rocks and stuff like that. And also what is really great about this rod is that even if I catch smaller fish like half a kilo or even less, I can really enjoy in a fight, because it's really a sensitive rod to one point, and this last point is a reserve strength if you have a really big fish. Sometimes if I'm really desperate and I don't have a rod, I even use the 18 grams jig head mounted on a flexi jig head, and I had absolutely no problem hooking the fish with this. So you can really do whatever you want with this rod. It's made for punishment, it looks beautiful, and I think it's the best choice for the anglers that needs one rod to fish like most of the fishing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this small review. Maybe it's not that kind of a super tech review, but maybe just to point out that you should keep an eye on this one, and yeah, check it. So this is it for now. I see you guys next time. Yeah, looking forward. Yeah, bye.